Garmin is a trusted brand known for its range of high-quality smartwatches designed for various users, from casual fitness enthusiasts to serious athletes. Two popular models are the Garmin Vivoactive 5 and the Garmin Fenix 8. While both have powerful features and excellent build quality, they cater to different needs. In today's video, we will compare these two smartwatches' design, performance, features, and overall usability to help you decide which suits your lifestyle best. The Garmin Vivoactive 5 has a sleek and lightweight design, making it comfortable to wear all day. It features an aluminum frame and weighs just 36 grams, which is ideal for casual users who want a stylish yet functional watch. The 1.2-inch AMOLED display provides clear visuals, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass for durability. It's also available in multiple colors like metallic orchid, slate, and cream gold, allowing you to match your style. On the other hand, the Garmin Fenix 8 is built for toughness. It has a titanium frame, making it more robust and slightly heavier at 66 grams. The 1.3-inch AMOLED display is larger, ensuring easy readability even in outdoor conditions. It also uses sapphire crystal glass, which is more scratch-resistant than regular glass. The Fenix 8's rugged design makes it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need a watch that can handle rough environments. The Vivoactive 5 is known for its solid performance, focusing on everyday fitness tracking. It includes all the essential sensors you'd expect from a modern fitness watch, including heart rate monitoring, GPS, sleep tracking, and blood oxygen monitoring. The GPS is accurate, which is great for tracking outdoor activities like running and cycling. It also comes with Garmin's body battery feature, which estimates your energy levels throughout the day, helping you decide the best time for exercise or rest. Its battery life can last up to 11 days in smartwatch mode, making it convenient for people who don't want to charge their watch frequently. Garmin Fenix 8 excels in performance, particularly for outdoor enthusiasts and serious athletes. It has advanced sensors that not only track basic metrics but also provide detailed insights into performance. For example, it can track altitude, barometric pressure, and even provide heat and altitude acclimation data. The Fenix 8 also features multi-band GPS, which ensures accurate tracking, even in challenging environments like dense forests or urban areas with tall buildings. The battery life is outstanding, lasting up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode, and even longer when using battery-saving features. This extended battery life is a major advantage for those who spend long periods outdoors and may not have access to a charger. The Vivoactive 5 has plenty of features that make it a great all-rounder. It includes 30-plus preloaded sports apps, which cover activities like swimming, cycling, and even wheelchair sports. It also has sleep tracking with a sleep coach, which helps you improve your sleep habits. One of its standout features is the body battery, which measures your energy levels to suggest the best time for exercise or rest. It also supports smart notifications, Garmin Pay for contactless payments, and music storage, so you can enjoy phone-free workouts. The Fenix 8 brings all the features of the Vivoactive 5 but takes them a step further. It supports advanced navigation tools like maps for hiking and skiing, and it can track more niche activities like paddleboarding and triathlons. The Fenix 8 also has an upgraded health monitoring system, offering better insights into your fitness levels and recovery time. Additionally, it supports safety features like incident detection, which can send your location to emergency contacts in case of trouble. This model is clearly designed for those who push their limits in outdoor sports. Choosing between the Garmin Vivoactive 5 and Fenix 8 depends on your lifestyle and what you need from a smartwatch. The Vivoactive 5 is a great choice if you want a stylish, lightweight watch that can track everyday fitness and health activities without needing frequent recharging. It's more affordable and fits well into daily routines. The Fenix 8, however, is perfect for those who live an adventurous lifestyle. With its rugged design, advanced GPS, and longer battery life, it's ideal for extreme sports and long outdoor adventures. It may cost more, but it offers features that cater to athletes and adventurers who need more from their watch. In overview, the Vivoactive 5 suits users who need basic fitness tracking with modern features, while the Fenix 8 is for those looking for an advanced, durable, and feature-packed smartwatch. Consider your needs and budget to decide which one is right for you. Thanks for watching.